another video. In today's makeup tutorial, we're doing this neutral cut crease. And we're going to be using the JUVIA'S Place Warrior 2 palette. And we're going to start with this chocolate shade. I think it's called Kufuru. And we're just going to pack that all in our crease and above our crease, because I have hooded eyes, so I always do everything above where my eyes hood at. Like, you feel me? Okay, and here I'm just taking the same color and I'm still packing it on the crease and above the crease, but I'm also going to take it and pack it on the outer corner of our eye, the outer V. Okay, and now I'm going to go into this first shade. It's called Yodit. I don't know. I know I'm slaughtering these names. But, and then I'm going to take it on my Morphe 456 brush, I think. And here you're just going to see me go back and forth between brushes, and I'm also going to have a blending brush just to blend out the very top to make sure there's no harsh lines. And that blending brush is called the Morphe 441 blending brush. So you'll just see me go back and forth between all these brushes, just kind of making sure there's no harsh lines and just blending everything out. Alright, so now that I finished blending out all my colors, I'm going in with my Morphe 224 brush and my Tarte Shapetape concealer in the shade 22N, and I'm just cutting my crease. Like I said before, I am cutting my crease above where my eye naturally creases at, because all that hard work for a cut crease, and if you do it where your eye naturally creases at, you will not see the color when your eye is open. So you'll see it when it's closed, but not when it's open. So the reason I do it above where my eye naturally creases at is because I still want to see all that color in that cut crease when my eye is open. Okay, so now I am going to go in with my Morphe 173 brush, and I'm just blending in that concealer just to make sure that it's not too much product on there. And then I'm going to start packing in the same brown shades that we used before, and on the outer V I'm just using that darkest shade, the Kufuru, and then I'm gonna go in with this light shade, the lightest shade in the palette, called Zaz, and I'm just packing that on the inner corner of my eye and kind of taking it up my lid a little bit. Okay, and that flat shader brush that I used to go in with that light shade is the Morphe 152 flat shader brush. But now we are going to create an ombre effect with the browns. So I'm taking the shade Yodit again, that lighter brown, and I'm packing that on in between the lightest shade and the darkest shade. And I'm just using that same Morphe, what is it? 456 brush, and I'm just packing that on the middle of my lid. And you'll just see me go back and forth between all my brushes and make sure that the colors are blended out real nice. Okay, so now we're gonna take our Crown Brushes Studio Glam Liner, and we're intensifying our crease with the shade is Solid Gold, and basically I'm just taking it from my inner corner all the way to the beginning of the darkest shade. Since we used all matte eyeshadows, I really wanted to just add something, you know, like a little spice to it, you know. But I felt like it needed something, so this really brought everything together. Okay, so here is the lid part of the eye finished. We aren't done yet. I did do my face off camera, and then I come back, and now we're gonna start on the lower lash line, and we're taking Yodit, and we're just smudging that all over our lower lash line, and then I'm gonna blend that out with my 456 brush, and then I'm gonna take my Morphe 152 brush for the light shade, and I'm just gonna make sure that's blended real well in the inner corner. And I'm taking some nude liner, applying that to my waterline, and some mascara for my lower lashes. And if you did care to see my face routine, I do have a drugstore face routine. I'll link that in the cards above. I think that's like on the right side of the screen, I'm not sure, but don't click on it yet. Finish the video, see the final look, and then you can go over and head that way. And also, if you want more of high-end products on how I do my face routine, I will, in the end screen, I will link the other video that you can check out there as well. Alright y'all, so now I'm just onto my lips, and I'm using my NK lip liner in brown. Y'all know the deal. And we're just going to take, on top of that, we're going to take our Maybelline Superstay liquid lipstick in the shade Protector. I'm placing that all over my lips, and I did go in with my ColourPop She Bad Lippy, but once I applied my NYX Butter Gloss on that, it kind of turned it all to brown anyway. So the little ombre effect that I was going for it did not work out. But I just left it like that because I thought it was cute. You know, we're rocking with browns anyway, so it still looks good. So we just left it that way, and that is the final look. But thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me, because you won't want to miss any of my other videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next week.